everyone, I have a fun video for you today. I am unboxing something from Farfetch. I have never purchased anything from Farfetch before, so this is my first time and I'm excited to see what I get. So if you are new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Chris, and if you are one of my subscribers, welcome back. I'm glad to have you. I'm going to be unboxing a package from Farfetch today. And like I said, this is the first time I've ever purchased from Farfetch. So the box just came in the mail today. They do deliver from DHL. I'm just gonna try and show you that. They've got a little heart sticker on here. So this one came from the UK and it didn't really take very long. It was like less than 2 weeks, which during the quarantine time right now is really a pretty good turnaround time. Okay, so I'm gonna open up the box, hopefully without cutting myself. I got this knife here. My husband has pocket knives and I usually just go and grab whatever pocket knife he has. So hopefully this one is nice and sharp and I can open this box relatively easily. We shall see. Am I the only one who has trouble with boxes? Honestly, sometimes you think you're on the right track and then the next thing you know, you're tugging and pulling and everything is still all packaged up. So let's see if this works. Aha! That's what we do. Okay. They have one of those rip tab things. Alrighty. Okay, so here we go. So this is the box right here. You can see the box says Farfetch on it, and I have information here from Farfetch. Let me see what it says. It's my receipt. It tells me that my returns are free, and this must be the boutique that sent it out. So if you're not familiar with Farfetch, they are actually a company that sources designer things from different stores and boutiques and things, and wherever you buy it from, then they will send that order to that boutique or to that store, and that store will fulfill the order and send it out to you. So if you've ever looked on their website, maybe you're looking for shoes, for example, because I shop for a lot of shoes, which is what I got today. And sometimes you will see that there are different prices for different sizes, and that is because the different sizes are coming from different stores or different boutiques. So it is a little bit confusing if you're not used to it, and some people I know get rather annoyed to think that they have to pay a different price for their size shoe, but it really all depends on where it's coming from. Okay, so I've got my box right here, and I don't know if you can see it. It's black on black, but it is ash. So this is a brand of shoes that I just recently discovered. I was looking online for shoes of a certain style, and I saw these, and then I started doing some more research because they seem to be very popular, because most of the places that I looked for a different shoe style that I wanted, they didn't have them in my size or they didn't have them in my color, but I ended up getting them on Farfetch, and these were on sale, which I was excited about. I do love a sale. So they are ash sandals, and we're just going to open them right up here. Okay. Ooh, they look really pretty. Okay, so the wrapping is very, very nice. You see you can have, or you have some stuffing in there, but not so much that it's absolutely ridiculous. So I'll put this down for right now. It looks to me like I have a dust bag for each shoe, which is very nice. Maybe not, maybe just one. Okay, no, just one dust bag for the shoes. It says ash on the front of it. And then here is the shoe itself. It is in this gorgeous kind of tannish brown color, and look at the studs on this. So this is really what I liked about these shoes. I have Valentino shoes, and if you guys are familiar with Valentino, I'll try to grab them. They have studs on them. Sorry. They have studs on them, and the studs are pyramid shaped, okay, and pointy. Which I do like them. I love my Valentino shoes, but I noticed when I was shopping, I was specifically shopping for studded sandals. I wanted something sort of with an ankle wrap, and I was hoping maybe I can get some studs on them, and I had no anticipation that I was going to get so many studs. So look at these. They are completely covered with studs. They're these little round, like bubbles, kind of. nice and soft and smooth. They are evenly spaced all throughout. So this is sort of a T-strap sandal. There's no thong here with the toe, and there are 2 straps across here, one going up the middle, and then there are 2 bands around the ankle as well. So they do have different versions of this basic style in ash, but I like this one because it has a zipper. So if you are someone who's familiar with Valentinos, as gorgeous as they are, the Valentino rock studs with the kitten heel, you've got 3 buckles to deal with. And I know this is like comparing apples to oranges here, but the Valentinos have these 3 buckles that you have to deal with, and they do take a little bit of extra time to put on in the morning. So if you are someone like me who often finds myself having to run out the door at a moment's notice, a lot of times I just slide my feet into flip-flop because it's really easy. And then I thought, well, I could definitely work with the zipper because the zipper is going to open and close real easily. I can just slide my foot in there and I don't have to worry about buckling and buckling and buckling again. So that is one feature that I really liked. I wouldn't say that I'm super addicted to fringe by any stretch of the imagination, but at the same time, this is really cute. And not only is it cute, but it also has little tiny studs on it as well. So even the tassel has these little studs on them, little round tiny studs, which I think is adorable. Actually, there are 3 different size studs on this whole shoe. So the larger ones are on the main body of the sandals on the straps. The smaller ones are, let's see, 4 sizes, sorry. There are smaller ones around the heel, all the way around the heel. And then if you look at the shoe from above, you can see that the outline of the sole is all done in studs. So that would be the 3rd size. And then the tiniest size are these teeny weeny little ones that are on the tassel. So these are beautifully made shoes. I have never seen this brand before. And I was just searching for some studded shoes. I found them and I thought they were absolutely stunning. There are similar shoes from Steve Madden, but I double checked the composition of them, and the Steve Madden ones are not leather, but these are leather. So it looks like I have a leather sole and the whole entire shoe is made out of leather. So let's take a look at the other one just to make sure there's no flaws on them or anything. Okay, this one's packed slightly better. It does have this little styrofoam piece right here, and then we have the stuffing there, and then the tassel on this one is nicely wrapped, and I do have a tag as well. That tag tells me the name of the shoe, which is called Power, and they were made in Europe, I believe. They say ash on the bottom, but they are very flat sandals. So you can see the heel is what, maybe like a 1/2 inch, 3/8 of an inch, something like that. So nice flat sandal and beautifully made. The footbed is leather as well, and there's even elastic right here around the ankle strap so that if you have a thicker ankle or just for more comfort, the elastic will give you a little bit more ease. All of the studs have a facing on the back, so I'm feeling here to make sure that they're nice and smooth, and they appear to be very nice and smooth, so that's not something that's going to bother your foot as you're wearing them. Same with Valentinos. I never noticed the studs hitting or rubbing against my foot at all on the inside, so the mark of a good quality shoe. But I'm really excited about these. I will leave you some modeling shots there, and I have to say that my first impression of these shoes is that they're really quite beautiful. I'm quite impressed with them. I'm also impressed with the shipping time from Farfetch and the packaging. Everything was nicely packaged and nice and sound. So I'm going to go try them on now, and I will upload some model shots for you. I anticipate wearing these with any shorts, sundresses. I just think they're really cool, and I absolutely love the idea that you can just get in and out of them really easily with the zipper rather than having to deal with buckles. So they are a little bit boho for my style, but at the same time, they've got enough jazziness about them to make them appropriate for maybe a nice sundress. So if you're going out to dinner or something like that, you can wear these with a sundress. So I'm really excited about these and happy to have them in my collection. I'm going to check them out and see how they feel, and I will let you know. Okay, so here they are, guys. You can see I have them on, and I left all of the tags and everything on them because in case they don't fit or in case there's something wrong with them, I want to make sure that I can return them, and I didn't want to cut off all of the tags. But so far so good. They do fit. They are my size. I usually take a 37, and that's exactly what these are. And I can bend them quite easily, so they're pretty comfortable. I don't foresee that there's going to be any issue as far as comfort goes. They seem really comfortable right now. It didn't take any time at all to put them on. And oh, I really like them. They're very, very cute. So I probably will be keeping these sandals. I am loving them. So I have shorts on today. Please ignore all the junk in the background. I just threw everything on the ground when I started unwrapping. There we go. So those are my ash sandals. Okay, so I just tried them on and I love them. They went on really easily, just like I expected with the zipper. Simply slide your foot in and zip them up. No problems with the zipper. It opened and closed very easily. They're very comfortable. They have a lot of nice padding on the bottom and they look really, really good on my feet. So I'm super excited about these. I definitely will be keeping these, and I am impressed with Farfetch for their quick shipping and the good prices. So definitely check them out if you haven't already. So that is it for my video today. A quick little unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment. If you have any questions down below, feel free to ask them. And as always, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and become part of my little YouTube family. I have had a lot of new subscribers in the past few weeks, and I am really, really thankful and appreciative for that. So thank you very much for subscribing, and until my next video, take care.